Hello from sunny Central Florida. I'm just gonna come in here and go through and pick some beans, Puerto Rican black beans. Just thought I'd bring you along with me. Sunny Central Florida. It is June 2nd, 2026. Because it's rainy season, I don't wait until they're completely brown, because when we start getting rain every day, they can mildew. Not many blackberries left. This is stuck on here. Yep, this got stuck on the black bean. I mean, there's just... Yeah, I just have to come in here every other day, basically. Hunt for beans and keep trellising them up. They're even taking over the sunflower right there. They're fixing to take over that lemon tree if I don't do something. They'll also take over that moringa if I don't keep putting them on that trellis. See all the beans in here? I can't even walk in here, but I'm gonna have to. It's not very easy picking beans and holding the phone, so I'm just gonna give you a quick little tour and call it a day. Bugs. There's a lot of bugs. Just in case you're wondering, I always keep buckets of water around, and I put weeds and stuff in there, so there's compost tea whenever I need to water something really quick. I can water them and fertilize them at the same time. Yes, my bird bath needs cleaning, so there you go. Group of papayas that came up. Looks like there's 4 or 3, so I'm gonna leave them alone and let them do their thing. Oh, there's so many bugs flying around in here right now. Look at all these little sunflowers loaded with little ants. I'll collect all these seeds and give them back to the birds, and then they'll give me more sunflowers. I have to get in there. There's some hibiscus cranberry growing in there. I gotta get in there. My moringa. This was one moringa tree. You can see it here. The winter, I thought, killed it, and like maybe a month ago it came. You can see here, let me see, let me get this leaf out of your way. There's one branch here, there's one there, and yeah, just 3. So it spit out 3 more trees, you can say. And look, they're like 10 feet tall already. And I've already harvested off of them twice. So I'm super excited. This one here just loves this location. I think that's why it came back. It's rooted itself deep into the ground. I got ginger. Look at the black beans are growing up on the ginger, which is fine. It won't hurt the ginger. Ginger doesn't like a lot of shade to begin with. I do see an issue. The black beans coming out here on my beauty berries. I don't know if you can see. It's already got some. A ton of beauty berries are already starting. See, those will get a very beautiful magenta purple. And the birds absolutely love it. That is food for the birds. There is a mulberry right there. This is a black cherry. Not actual cherries like you buy at the grocery store. It's just the name of it. Black cherry tree. It's a great for chop and drop. As you can tell, I've chopped the bottom. And provides a nice bit of shade in here. So yeah, I have to get in here. Fun times. Freaking black beans. You only need a couple beans in the ground. This is, I don't know, there's so many that popped up on their own from growing them from last year. I'll never have to start black beans again because I can see they start themselves. So cherry tree, my papayas finally are taking off. Musa banana, the mulberry. These black beans I'm gonna let take over. This is my newest bed. As you can see, it's still full. I'm gonna let the black beans just completely take it over to see if it helps all that compost down. And maybe for the winter I can grow in there, or hopefully maybe next spring I can grow corn. Down there's more papayas, pomegranate, lemon, kumquat, olive. Yeah, you don't need a lot of space to grow a lot of food. Alright, I gotta get to picking. Happy gardening.